In this video, you are going to see the charging time it took to charge Samsung Galaxy F15 100%. Right now, I completely drained the battery of this mobile and I'm going to charge it now. Also, side to this, you notice the stopwatch where you see how much time it is taking to charge. I'm going to check the battery percentage for every 10 minutes along with the temperatures. Also, in the box, you won't get any charger and I'm using the Samsung 25 watts charger which is already there with me. Now we crossed the 10 minutes mark and it's time for checking. It charged 15%. Let's continue this and check after 20 minutes. This Samsung F15 comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery that lasts for more than a day according to Samsung. We will check in real day condition how it is and I'm going to share the battery stats and everything in the full review in just a couple of days. This Samsung F15 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 6 nanometer chipset. Soon I'm going to post a dedicated gaming review of this mobile so we can judge how the thermals as well as the capacity of this processor. Now we crossed the 20 minutes mark. Coming to the battery, it's 30%. Also, I checked the temperature after feeling warmer on the display side. The maximum temperature it reached is 41.4 degrees Celsius after 20 minutes of continuous charging. Let's continue this and check after 30 minutes. If you observe, I'm charging this mobile in switch off condition. There are many reasons for this. Let's say for example, if I'm connected to Wi-Fi or using dual SIM cards or running any background application, it leads to differences in overall timing. So to eliminate that, I'm charging this mobile in switch off condition. Not only this mobile, I charge every mobile in switch off condition while doing these type of tests. Now we crossed the 30 minutes mark. Coming to the temperature, it's 43.1 degrees Celsius. If you observe from previous to now, the temperature is increased. Come to the battery percentage, it's 45%. It is actually charging 15% for every 10 minutes up to now. So if you charge 30 minutes, you get 45% of the battery, which is almost equal to 50% of the battery, which is more than enough to use mobile in normal conditions for an entire day. Let's continue this and check after 10 more minutes. I actually posted a dedicated video related to this Samsung F15 mobile on this channel. You can check the related videos of this mobile in the description box. One of the main drawback of this mobile is there is no charger in the box. Also, they given a Type-C to Type-C cable, which means you must buy the 25 watts charger. Now we crossed the 40 minutes mark. It's time to check. The maximum temperature it reached on the display side is 43.9 degrees Celsius. If you observe, it is increasing for every 10 minutes. If we charge this mobile in switch on condition, then the temperatures might increase even more than this. The battery percentage is 59 now. I know that every mobile after 50% of continuous charging, it charges a little bit slower than before to save the battery lifespan. Come to the price of this mobile, it is under 15,000 rupees and for this price you get a Super AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate display which is really good. Most of the mobiles are lacking this AMOLED panel under 15,000 rupees price range. Even the software is also good. You will get the One UI 6 with Android 14 out of the box. For the past couple of months, Samsung has been pushing the software updates on time for all the respective models they promised. Now we are going to cross the 50 minutes mark and it's time for checking. The maximum temperature on the display side area is 38.4 degrees Celsius. The temperatures dropped after 50% of continuous charging. That indicates even though we are charging with 25 watts charger, it is charging slowly. Right now the battery is at 62%. Only 3% charged after 10 minutes of continuous charging, which is quite shocking. Let's continue this and check after 60 minutes how much it is going to be charged. In case you charge this mobile with 15 watts charger, you need more time than this to charge 100%. After 60 minutes, the temperature is touching to 41 degrees Celsius, which means again it started charging fast. Come to the battery percentage, it's 74%. If you observe, whenever it is charging fast, the temperature crosses the 40 degrees Celsius mark, that too in switch off condition. Actually, I don't recommend charging any mobile, even iPhones also, for up to 100%. The sweet spot is in between 80 to 90% for long-term battery life. I'm talking about the battery lifespan here, not the mobile battery backup. The battery backup time varies from user to user and the apps they are using and the environments they are currently in. After 1 hour 10 minutes, these are the results. The maximum temperature it reached is 41.4 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 86%. I am expecting that this mobile is going to be charged under 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's check that. After 1 hour 20 minutes, the maximum temperature it reached was 38.5 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 95%. After 1 hour 30 minutes, it reached 97%. Just missed for the 100% as I thought. Almost all mobiles charges very slowly from 90 to 100%. After 1 hour 40 minutes, it reached 99% and come to the temperature, it's 35.4 degrees Celsius. Finally, it took 1 hour 42 minutes for my device to charge from 0% to 100% in switch off condition. So, whether it is good or bad? The answer is it's good, guys. The 6000 mAh battery that lasts for more than 1 day charging under 1 hour 45 minutes is a really good thing. Also do note that you notice heating and a little bit of warm while charging this device. One more thing, I didn't use any back case for this mobile during this test. So that's the charging test of Samsung Galaxy F15 mobile. Comment your opinion about this and also share your mobile battery charging time that it takes to charge from 0% to 100%. These are some other videos related to Samsung Galaxy F15 mobile. I recommend you click any of these videos to know more information about this mobile. If in case you want more videos, don't forget to check the description box.